friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking bratwurst sausages in the air fryer. So let me just open a package of bratwurst. And let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'll just put the sausages in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. Look at these bratwurst sausages. They're so nicely brown on top, and I'm going to flip them over so they cook evenly on both sides. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at that bratwurst. Look at that, they're perfectly cooked. They look amazing, so nicely browned. And now I recommend checking the internal temperature just to make sure they're cooked through. So just put an instant read thermometer. And it should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, they're fully cooked. If yours are not cooked through, you can always put it back in the air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 5 minutes. So let me take them out of the air fryer. I'm so excited about trying these brats. They look so good. Now let's try it. Let me just cut it so you can see. See, perfectly cooked inside, and it's so juicy. Perfect. These sausages are so delicious, perfectly cooked. You're going to love cooking them in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!